Jatend Kenya William Ruto chomo piny Jerman e limbe mare mar ndalo ariyo ma owacho ni geto tego winjruok e kind Kenya kod pinyno. Jachiw wach e lo kar jot ma jatend piny Hussein Mohamed olero ni limbe ma kamano dhi jiwo tudruok kendo Kenya dhi keto koke winjruok ma biro miyo jopiny yot mar dhi e pinyno e chenro ma oriwo koda mag tije. Oyango ni Ruto dhi bedo e romo mar twak e wi weche mag ohala, romo ma dhi kelo kanyakla jotelo mag kembe madongo kaka mar Mercedes-Benz, YouTube e kind mamoko.
President William Ruto will leave the country this evening for a two-day official visit to the Federal Republic of Germany. Now, this visit marks a significant milestone in the long-standing relations between Kenya and Germany, spanning over 60 years, and is aimed at strengthening cultural, economic, and diplomatic ties. He'll witness or preside over the signing of the Kenya-Germany Agreement on Comprehensive Migration and Mobility Partnership. He'll also participate at the annual Citizens Festival, also known as Baggerfest. The President will equally engage with leading German business leaders during a special CES forum aimed at enhancing trade and investment opportunities between Kenya and Germany. Both countries will encourage the immigration of skilled workers who have completed vocational training